In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine mount on your Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter. It's located on the passenger side of your engine compartment. So we're going to support our engine with a jack. You're going to use a piece of wood and find your oil pan underneath. And we're not going to lift the engine up, but we are just going to support it. So once you get that jack to the oil pan, you're just going to give it a little extra, and that should be good. Now we're going to go up top. With a 17mm socket, we're going to undo these two nuts, this bolt, and also this nut. So now we can take this up. All right, now we're going to take a 14mm socket and we're going to take out this bolt, and this nut. And set those off to the side. Now we can remove this. Now I'm just going to clean up the area. And we can place our new mount on, lining it up. Let's start with our nut. And our two bolts. All right, let's snug these up and then we'll torque them. Okay, so we are going to torque this to 47 foot-pounds. All right, so now that those are torqued, we're going to move on to our second piece. So place that on top. You can start your bolt. Now we can get our nuts going. All right, using my 17mm, I'm going to snug up these three. And then we're going to torque those. I would do a little bit at a time. Just make sure you're going on there straight, not crooked. Feels pretty good. Snug this one up. And now we're going to torque all of these. All right, so these are going to be 47 foot-pounds, and this one's going to be 60. I'm going to start with this bolt in the middle here. And then this one is going to be 60. Now that I've torqued this one, I'm going to just check these one more time. Back to 47. Beautiful. Now we can lower our jack and remove it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.